Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the culture of arranged marriages is a common practice in several cultures in the world. In the Muslim world, for instance, is well practiced. In the Asian world is well practiced too. In the Indian culture, for instance, is a well rehearsed form of marriage. So the two families meet and then they exchange their children and they arrange some sort of courtship which is supervised and all that. And that's well practiced. Yes, it is well practiced, and in a lot of instances it does work, and it works really only if the two people that are being put together find reasons to be together. That is how it can work, and that's the only reason how it can work. So now I'll play you this clip. Let me play you this clip first before we carry on. So there you saw in that clip a bride refusing to kiss her groom. Now I don't know the circumstances of that marriage, and I don't know the situation that has led to the bride refusing to kiss the groom. I don't know if she's having a bit of a hissy fit, or he had upset her earlier or whatever, but I am placing this in the premise of arranged marriages. So I am placing this in the premise of arranged marriages just really for the sole purpose of highlighting a particular point. And that particular point that I am looking to highlight is yes, it can work when these arranged marriages have these two converging people agreeing to be together, but when a girl is effectively handed over to a guy, sometimes against her will, she will show that rebellion. And we are seeing this coming out of the northern part of Nigeria, where you hear that a bride has done something to her groom which has led to his demise or whatever, you know. So we hear this a lot, you know, when some young girl is handed over to some middle-aged man against her will, and then of course she has other plans for her life, she has other thoughts in her mind, and the thoughts and the plans that she has for her life are not what is being played out, and she's effectively being forced into a position that she would rather not be in, and then of course she has to act against that. And that acting against is what we are seeing playing out in this video, and that acting against we see play out in several news stories that we hear coming out of particularly the northern parts of Nigeria, where you hear that a bride has done XYZ to the groom, and then when you look into the story, you will find out that it was an arranged marriage. She was like some teenage bride, he was a man in his 60s or something, and then of course then you begin to see immediately what's led to the situation that has led to that story. So I just brought you this just for your consideration really, because I want to know what your thoughts are about this. Now I am not saying this particular clip that you just saw is an arranged marriage, but the topic that I am looking to discuss are arranged marriages. So what are your thoughts on that? Comments in the comment section as usual, but before you come engage with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then once you've done both, come join me in the comment section. Let's talk marriages. I'll leave you here though. I'll meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.